Hi guys! Today we're going to look at how we can fix a common issue with Ragdoll physics, where the character's head continues to sway back and forth. To show how to fix this, we're going to use this scene we created in our Ragdoll physics series, so take a look if you want to know how it was done. Alternatively, you can download this project by supporting us on Patreon. All the relevant links can be found in the description. Okay, so if we look at the character from the side, we can see that the back of the head isn't touching the ground. This means that there's no friction to stop the head, which is why it keeps moving. We can easily fix this by increasing the angles that the head is able to rotate. Let's stop the game and find the zombie's head in the hierarchy. Then we'll click this icon to edit the angular limits of the joint. We want to increase the range the head can go backwards so that it can fall far enough to touch the ground. While we're here, let's also increase the side-to-side movement of the head, so that if the zombie falls forwards, the head will tilt slightly to one side. Okay, let's press play to see how this looks. We'll shoot the zombie in the head so it falls backwards. Now when it lands, the head lies still, which looks much better. Let's check that everything looks okay with the zombie falling forwards. We'll shoot it in the leg to make it fall on its face. That also looks good. We can see the head is now slightly tilted to one side. Okay, that covers everything for this video. Hope you found it useful. A big thank you to all our patrons. We really appreciate you helping to support the channel. If you'd like to help and also get access to the source code, you can find details in the description. Please leave any questions or feedback in the comments, and subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss the next one. Thanks guys!